So our friends at Perfect Home sent us an Instant Pot kit. So we are going to be making 3 easy recipes. We are going to be making egg bites, pizza, and boxed cake mix in the Instant Pot. So let's go spice things up. To start out with the basic egg bite recipe, you'll want to crack 4 eggs into a bowl and then add about a half a cup to 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of whipping cream, salt and pepper to taste, and a little bit of garlic powder. Whisk it all together till it is well blended. You can add whatever you would like to your egg mixture. I like to add bacon and red bell pepper, and then you'll just want to go and whisk that together as well. To your silicone mold, you'll want to add some cooking spray to it, and then you can go ahead and put it on your sling and add your mixture right to the molds. Put 1 cup of water in the pot and then go ahead and add your egg mixture. Then we're going to close the lid, and you want to turn your vent on to sealing, and we are going to press the steam button and cook it for 10 minutes. After you've naturally released for 5 to 10 minutes, go ahead and release the valve, open it up, and voila, your egg bites are done. Next, we are going to make some pizza in the Instant Pot. You'll want to start out with some pizza dough and then flatten it out so that it is nice and thin. Next, you'll want to get a pizza pan and you'll want to place it on the dough and cut around so that you get the right size for the pan. Once you do that, you'll want to go ahead and spray with cooking spray and go ahead and put your dough in the pizza pan and kind of push it around the sides. Next, you'll want to get some pizza sauce and put it on your pizza. After spreading the sauce on your pizza, you want to go ahead and put some mozzarella cheese on your pizza and then some olives, and then you can add some pepperoni. You can really add whatever toppings you would like. Next, you can go ahead and add your pizza onto your red sling and add 1 cup of water to your pot. Go ahead and put your pizza in, put the top on your pot, and make sure the valve is on sealing. And we want to cook it for 15 minutes, and then we are going to do a quick release. Once your pizza has cooked for 15 minutes, go ahead and release the valve, open it up, and there's your pizza. Next, we are going to make a boxed cake mix in your Instant Pot. So you want to basically follow the recipe like it says on the back. Next, spray your cake pan with some cooking spray, and then you want to go ahead and add your cake batter right to the cake pan. And then you want to go ahead and add some aluminum foil to the pan just so that we won't get a bunch of moisture on the top of the cake. And then go ahead and put it on your red sling again, add 1 cup of water to the pot, and put your cake in, close the lid, and turn the vent to sealing. We are going to press the cake button and we want to cook it for 30 minutes. Once your cake has been naturally releasing for 15 minutes, go ahead and release the valve, open it up, take it out, and then you'll want to go ahead and take the foil off the top and just set it aside and let it cool down for a little bit. Once it has been cooling down, it is easy to get the cake out of the pan. And then of course you can take whatever frosting that you want and put it on. I am using vanilla frosting, and you can just go ahead and spread it all over, and then it is done. I hope you enjoyed these easy Instant Pot recipes, and if you would like to purchase the kit or the red sling, I will link them in the description box below. Well, thank you guys so much, and if you'd like to see any more videos, click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.